This will be a speed test between the Xiaomi Poco F2 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Now the Poco F2 Pro, this one has the Snapdragon 865, 8 gigs of RAM on Android 10, and its latest version of MyUI interface. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, this one also has the Snapdragon 865, 12 gigs of RAM on this bad boy, also on Android 10, and its latest version of One UI interface. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time here. See which device will have the faster boot up, and let's go. Poco F2 Pro versus Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus speed test. Let's see what happens right now. Oh! The F2 Pro with the super fast boot up. Wow. S20 Plus not too bad in its own right. So you can see, let this weather widget load up, and there you go. And we are in! All right, man, let's get right into it. I'm gonna swipe over here. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna go like that. No recent items in the F2 Pro, no recently used apps. In the S20 Plus, as you can see, all caches, the browsers have been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. S20, messages, draw, camera. Actually, I'm gonna pick up both phones. See the viewfinder a little bit better here? Give that to the F2 Pro. And then what do we got next? Up next, we do have the clock. A little bit fast. Actually, I don't know. That was too close to tell. Slow down the video for me on YouTube. Could not tell in real life. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start the stopwatch. Leave that in the background, and we do have the calculator. Draw again. Nice and snappy on both phones. Play Store on both. Ooh, a little bit faster on the F2. See, what am I gonna click on? Just click on whatever, click on this one. And we'll leave it on this. Okay, a little bit of a lag here on the S20. That could have been the Wi-Fi though, so take that for what it is. Amazon. A little bit faster on the left again. We'll go ahead and click on this dude. We'll click on this. And we'll go ahead and just leave that on this product page. And then we do have eBay. Very close. I couldn't even tell. I think that was the F2 Pro. Actually, very similar performance. So we'll click on this helmet. We'll leave it on this product page again. I like this inverted eBay though. The black background looks sick. Super Mario Run. Loading on both phones. Let's see. A little bit faster on the S20. Tap to begin. Faster on the S20 again on the second step. We do have Temple Run 2 here. Lost Jungle. Oh! And I think the S20 is out in front. I'm just gonna let this run. We'll confirm that in a second here. Give the win to the S20. Tap to play. Whoops. Subway Surf. Loading on both phones. Oh! F2 with a comeback. Tap to play. And we'll leave it there. Oh, tap again. Did I tap it? What's going on? Huh. Angry Birds 2. That was weird. I know I tapped it, right? Huh, that's weird. Okay. Logging in on both phones. Oh, the S20 is out in front. And the S20 with the victory on this game, as you can see. Alright. Okay, worked that time. The tap on the F2. I knew I tapped it, right? On that one game. I'm tripping out here. Anyway, Asphalt 9 Legends here. Let's see. Oh, Xiaomi F2 with the win on this one. We'll tap play once. And then we'll leave it there. And we do have PUBG on both phones. Tencent Games. Oh, S20 out in front. Will the F2 catch up? Loading on both. Oh my gosh. Too close to call. You guys are the judges. Now, what is this? A little extra pop-up here on the right. That was so close. You guys are the judges on the PUBG. Okay, I know I tapped it, right? What does that say? Tap again to exit. Oh, you gotta tap it twice. Huh, okay. Twitter. Very close, I think that was the S20 actually. IG, S20, WhatsApp. Ooh, too close to call in real life. Slow down the video for me on YouTube. Snapchat, Draw. And then we do have the browser here, Chrome on both phones. We'll do a quick browsing test. What am I gonna look for? I don't know, let's go Samsung. Samsung S20, why not? And then we'll go ahead and scroll a little bit here. And then we'll click on Samsung's page here on the S20. So you can see, ooh, a little bit, we're at the Samsung web page. However, a little bit faster on the F2 to load. It's kind of funny. All right, we'll do a search for, to kind of keep things fair, Poco F2. Poco F2. We'll do a search for each phone. Why not? And then let's see, what page can I go to? We'll check out this. Check out Android Authority right here. Can I do this? No, I cannot. Maybe the desktop version. That's where I gotta do it. We'll scroll. Okay, the scrolling's pretty fast. Okay, a little bit of a lag on both. But there you go. Oh, what is this? What is that? What's going on in that picture right there? Check this out. What is that? Okay, where's the desktop version? I don't see the desktop version here. What is happening? Well, whatever. Anyway, let's go ahead and check out the RAM management on both phones. Whoops. There we go, the RAM management. Everything's in the background so you can see. Now, my UI, how they do the app switching here is pretty cool with this kind of setup. Pretty cool. We'll just run through these apps again and see what happens. Hold on a second, let me straighten this out. Out of alignment. All right, we do have the WhatsApp. I think I clicked that one already. And then the IG, good to go. Twitter, good to go. Nice and fast so far. Right into the PUBG so you can see. Whoops, and oh man, Asphalt 9. And what is happening here? Okay, that's not a full reload. And then we do have the Angry Birds. Okay, right into the game, good to go on both phones. We do have the Subway Surf. And then we can resume, as you can see. There you have it. And then we do have, what? Okay, we do have Temple Run 2. And then ready to resume again. 3, 2, and 1. As you can see, very nice. And then we, oh, what? Okay, we do have the Mario Run. That's annoying on the F2. Why do you have to press it twice? Anyway, we have reload here on the F2 Pro. So you can see S20 right into the game. eBay, a little bit faster on the S20 to recover. Amazon, and faster again on the S20, and this is reload on the F2 Pro. All right, so Xiaomi, maybe a little bit of work on the RAM management front. So you can see, all right, looking good on these apps. Clock still running in the background, and we do have the camera here. Go. A little bit faster on the S20. And then we do have the messages. Faster on the S20. And finally, the phone app. Faster on the S20. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Do you have yourself the Xiaomi Poco F2 Pro, also known as the Redmi K30 Pro? Let me know what you think about this phone in the comments down below. So far, I like it. I like the red power button here, gives it a nice contrast, and I like this colorway. Check out this pearl white, just how pearly that is. It looks very nice. Camera is not doing it any justice. In person, this looks pretty cool back here. And I love the front-facing camera on this with a pop-up right here. It pops up, very slick And because of that, you get a nice clean display here. No notch or hole punch cutout or anything like that. Looks very clean. If you have yourself the Poco Phone F1 from last year or 2 years ago, are you going to upgrade to the Poco F2? Or are you a Samsung Knight with your Samsung Galaxy S20 or S20 Plus or S20 Ultra? Do you have yourself a Note 10 or Note 10 Plus? Are you looking forward to the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 20? Or are you a baller and have a Galaxy Fold or a Z Flip? Let me know what you thought about this matchup in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.